Welcome back to digital class, and now we are looking at this question. So the question here says that there are many air sacs found in our lungs for gaseous exchange to take place. The diagram below shows how each air sac is surrounded by many blood vessels. So as you can see, this is what happened. So the table below shows the number of breaths taken by two non-smokers and two smokers at rest. Means that they don't move, they're just sitting there, okay? As well as the number of air sacs found in the sample of their lung. So you notice that non-smoker, let me just quickly highlight, non-smoker, example, there's 25 air sacs and there's 18 air sacs, okay? But when we compare with the smoker, what happened? They'll have 10 or 7. So you can kind of notice that smokers have lesser number of air sacs, okay? And let's go back to our non-smoker first. Non-smoker, when there is more number of air sacs, the number of breath taken in per minute seems like it become 10, 15, okay? Whereas if you compare to the smoker, it's actually lesser in non-smoker side. So you notice what? Let me just quickly highlight here. Non-smoker, there is more number of air sacs and there is less number of breath needed to be taken in per minute. Whereas smoker has less number of air sacs where there's more breath is needed. Do you understand the theory behind it? Okay, maybe you don't need to understand. We can try to answer the question first. Okay, you don't need to understand first. I'll explain B. A. Based on the table above, state the relationship between the number of air sacs found in the sample and the number of breath taken in per minute. Again, when we see the word relationship, some of the common words we can use is as. This happened. What? Then it happened. Okay. So example is the number of air sacs and the number of breath taken per minute. So as the number of air sacs increases, now as you can see, when there's more, what happened? The number of breath taken in per minute actually become what? Less, decreases. Okay, so that's basically the relationship between these two items here. Okay, so let's try to understand now. The question B is actually asking here. Explain why the breathing rate of both smokers is higher. As you can see, right? Smokers here, actually breathing rate is higher compared to the breathing rate of the non-smoker. Why? You need to understand that when there is more breathing taken in per minute, it actually might not be the good at rest, it might not be a good situation. Means that what? Means that you need to breathe in more. Means that that is actually the cause because of the less number of air sacs. Because when your lung, example, this is the windpipe, this is the windpipe, this is the air sacs. When you have more, what happens? It reaches all parts of the lung very easily. But when you have less, example, then you need to take more breathing to go and try to reach different parts of the lung. Okay, so in simple, why? First, you need to understand that a smoker actually has a lesser number, of air sacs. Okay, and because of that, hence the breathing rate increases to take in to take in more oxygen. Okay, so that is basically the whole idea of our questions here. Okay, and I hope this video helps you in understanding this whole concept. And that's all. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.